one of, I hope, the major takeaway is that your financial life, when you become an equity partner, will change dramatically from what you are used to. Um, the way you are compensated is going to change dramatically. The way that you pay taxes is going to change dramatically, get much more complex. The way that you get benefits through work is going to change dramatically. The way you save for retirement is going to change dramatically. And so it's important to know these things ahead of time as best you can so that you can prepare. And I love to see my newly minted partners with significant liquidity available to them to help cover the first 12 to 18 months or so of equity partnership, where you're really not bringing in as much cash as you are used to. And a lot of the lump sum cash payments you're receiving as distributions are going to taxes. Well, someone who we know is on the path to partnership and wants to do it and is confident that they will get it, we're likely going to increase their liquidity going into that so that they have that cushion there, that they don't feel cash strapped. They don't feel added anxiety about, just their bank account feeling empty when they should be feeling like they're on top of the world. So cash flow planning is extremely important. And in terms of taxes, if you don't already work with a tax advisor, first, shame on you. You should be working with a tax advisor. But secondly, if you don't, this is the time to find one. And you need a specialist. You need someone who understands the tax nuance of being an equity partner at a big law firm. This is not the time to try and penny pinch and try and get by either doing it by yourself in TurboTax or paying the guy down the street that doesn't charge much because it feels like all they're doing is filling out a form and documented data. That's not what they're doing. At this level of income and tax complexity, tax planning can make a huge difference in your financial life. Getting it right is critical. And frankly, offloading that burden to someone who has the expertise and specialty to do it, that's well worth every dollar it's going to cost you. It can be an extremely rewarding, wonderful career path. But if you can do some advanced planning and know what you're getting yourself into, you can make it a lot easier on you, both psychologically and financially.